One of my favorite things about old houses is the character they bring with them, and this door did not disappoint. It was covered in green paint and had some damage from dogs who had been jumping up on it. So I got to work with a heat gun and a putty knife and started stripping it down. Watch a heat gun around glass. It will pop the glass so quick. And actually I cracked, I think, 2 panes on this, which wasn't a big deal because I was planning on replacing them anyway. Next comes the sanding. And sand we did. I sanded with a belt sander, with a random orbital sander. I think I sanded with every single sander that I could have sanded with. I had no idea that the crossbars came out of this. They were just sitting in there, and when I pulled all the glass out, they just slid sideways and came out. There was enough damage on them that I actually ended up finding a wood that matched and cutting new pieces to rebuild the internals of the door. It was neat to see the original joints that were used to hold the crossbars in that supported the glass. There was no glue, there was no nails, there was nothing. It was just in there in a really cool geometric way. After a coat of stain, and I think it has 4 coats of spar varnish on it, it turned out beautiful. I probably had about 40 hours into this project, all said and done, by the time I cut all the new pieces, sanded everything down, and put all of the stain and spar varnish on. It came out better than I could have imagined, but it definitely took some sweat equity to get it done. I only had a couple pictures of the before door because I didn't know I was restoring it when we started, but how cool does this wood grain look against that neutral gray in the background? It ties this house together in a very original and beautiful way.